Facing difficulties updating to iOS 17 on your iPhone? If you are encountering errors like unable to update, unable to download or install, or any other issues hindering your iOS 17 update, this video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve these problems. So let's begin. Method 1. Check and fix the internet connection. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off, and then check your issue. Method 2. Check the battery percentage. Make sure that you have more than 50% of the charge, because if you have less than 50%, it may cause the update issue. So connect the charger to your phone and try updating your device. Method 3. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and check your storage capacity. If you don't have enough storage, and then free up some storage by deleting unnecessary apps and games, and also can delete some photos and videos from your device, and then restart your iPhone. Method 4. Turn off lockdown mode. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down. If you see the lockdown mode is enabled, tap on it. Tap on Turn off lockdown mode. Go through the process and turn off the lockdown mode. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. If the problem persists, remember to reach out to Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.